Hey everyone, my name is Sudhakar and let's bring some value for this video. Starting off with SEMrush, we can see this is the dashboard of SEMrush and there's something interesting which I would like to discuss with you guys to build a powerful content, a powerful, making sure that there's a lot of organic traffic sent to your website and building a powerful blog with multiple keywords in it to get most ranking and recognized by Google, and even making sure that your website is more systematic for easy crawling from Google itself. So when you go into SEMrush and pretty much you go through this keyword overview, keyword magic, and keyword strategy builder, over here you enter a keyword which is relevant to your business. It could be anything. It could be construction industry, it could be a supplement industry, it could be a fitness industry. I'll choose something more generic, which is a cafe. Pretty much let's type in that, and this is our main keyword, and let's try to choose a different location, Australia, and let's create a list. And then it takes a couple of seconds to go through and search for what are the keywords and what kind of organic search results are going through different states and cities. After going that, you will end up something like this, a small cluster of different pages and keywords. What this basically is, it's a cluster of a pillar page and a content page adjacent to it. Like you can give you I can give you a better example. Like for example, this is a pillar page which is the main page, wherein you will have the main keyword like best breakfast South Melbourne. So that's basically the main page you will be creating the blog about, and keywords which will be used in this particular page would be cafes South Melbourne, best cafe South Melbourne, best breakfast South Melbourne, which are having a difficulty of 40, 31 and 18. Probably with this keyword difficulty you might gain this keyword quicker than these, but what we are trying to do is not competing only against only one keyword, but rather working on multiple keywords at a time to build a strong page and interlink sub pages. So that's the main page, and then we have sub pages like cafe pots point Sydney, best cafes Ballarat, best cafe Surrey Hills, best cafe in Werribee, and breakfast in South Bank and Newtown. These are the other couple of keywords you can see over here with multiple keywords. This one Matcha Melbourne has about like 15 keywords. So these are the keywords which audience are searching. So actually when you do keyword searching research, it will take heaps of time. What keywords you have to target, what keywords you have to pretty much use them. This tool is super easy to find out those keywords and pretty much bring into pillar content and sub pages. And one other interesting thing which I felt is obviously you have your pillar page and then you have your sub pages. It's like a tree as an example, and you have your branches. So you will be creating a main page, and to that main page you will be interlinking these sub pages so that Google can realize this particular content has a lot of weightage, a lot of credibility, of a lot of interlinking pages of similar content, and also lots of backlinks. And then obviously you will be ranking for this page according to your location. So yeah, you can see different keywords, keyword difficulty for these, and sub pages. And one other interesting point is, if I want to create this content, literally I click on write content shake AI, which is AI generated content, and quickly it takes few seconds and pretty much comes up with these. Make sure that it uses these keywords and create a content for you, so you don't have to do anything. And if you want to customize, you can customize with it suggests 2000, you can bring it up to 3000. but we don't need that. So literally you use click, um, pretty much you click that and it pretty much builds you content. It would take a couple of minutes and then voila, you get your AI generated content. And then obviously don't use that content as it is on your website. You need to make some kind of changes. You need to optimize its meta title, meta description. You need to make sure that you have a better URL. These are other kind of checks you need to, basic checks you need to optimize. You need to add some backlinks with valuable credibility, something, in the cafe industry, I'm not sure, but whichever the pages are credible, you can just link them to their backlinks to know how to make maybe black coffee or something like that, if it makes sense. And then interlink these sub pages which we just saw a couple of minutes ago over here. When you create this cafe pots point Sydney, just interlink that to the page which you have created, the pillar page. And then as you can see, we have about 15 sub pages. Imagine the level of credibility you will be showcasing on your Google blog pages and everything. So yeah, it's done. You can see that that's 84% perfect. All you need to do is, it's fine, 84 is not too bad. You can just eventually optimize it as you go along, but it's a very good start. And the other interesting thing which I could show you is edit to go to edit, and then you can click on this images section. And yeah, what we can do is breakfast spots in South Melbourne. Let's do that. Copy that text and paste it over here and create. And in couple of seconds you would be pretty much generating an AI image. And after that, what you get to do is just copy this entire content, like, oh, that looks cool, not bad. Okay, so all you need to do is maybe add this image somewhere over here and click on this, and that's added to your content. That's it. So in this way you get to have this entire content, copy it. Don't I don't know if you would like to, you can even create an API and pretty much link to your web hosting or your CMS, but I don't know, like few things support, few don't support properly. And you can actually automate this one with WordPress and other, but I wouldn't really go ahead and get that complicated. So just copy this and or open your web browser, your backend of your website, and pretty much copy paste it. So simple as easy. And don't forget to add meta titles, or also make sure that you add alt text to that images, a caption. These are mandatory, guys. These, after preparing this entire content, don't miss on those tiny teeny things, so that at the end of the day you have to make sure that you have built such a, don't miss on that. Hope this video is helpful. And by the way, if you feel like SEMrush is so expensive, just to give it a shot, just to experiment it, you have a 1 week free trial. And honestly, this is not a promotional. I'm not getting paid by SEMrush. It's just some valuable content which is which I want to give it to you guys for free. Yeah, just that's it. So let's bring in some value content on any channel, so that someone is benefited by this. So see you guys in the next video, where I'll bring more valuable content.